Hi, this is Mohammed and I got a quick question for you. Have you ever wanted to start a successful, legit online business that you can run from anywhere in the world and make consistent money doing it and scale that business to a 6 or 7 figures? Or maybe you always wanted to do this but never done this before, simply because you don't know where to start from and put all these moving parts together. Or maybe you tried this before and failed, and this is something you are really looking forward to do. If that is you, then let me tell you, the fastest way to make money online right now is by doing affiliate marketing. Not drop shipping, crypto, stocks, or any of that. Affiliate marketing is a real, legit business model where you don't have to create a product or a service for yourself. You don't have to hire employees or get an office space. You don't have to deal with customer support, shipping and handling, and all those complicated things, which requires a lot of time and money, by the way. You just partner up with other companies as an independent affiliate and you make commissions whenever you make a sale. 80% of the major brands have an affiliate programs with the products people already wants to buy. Yet most people are doing affiliate marketing completely wrong, and that's why 95% of the people are not successful in affiliate marketing. So in the next 2 minutes, I'm gonna tell you how to fix this and how you can build a successful, legit affiliate marketing business that can generate passive income for you. I have been doing affiliate marketing for 2 years now, and I've changed my life doing this. Initially, I struggled a lot in this business, but then I invested $14,000 to learn one thing and one thing only, which is to do affiliate marketing the right way from the experts in this field. And for the first time, I'm distilling all the knowledge from those coaching and training programs on which I have spent thousands of dollars on, and with my personal experience into a free course, because I don't want you to waste your time, energy, and money like me when you are starting out. So I'm gonna give you a biggest secret to structuring your affiliate marketing business that will help you getting way ahead in this game. All right. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then do it now and turn on the notification. That way you never miss an update from me. Anyway, I wanna put to you in this metaphor. So let's say if I have a vehicle, right? What does every vehicle needs to go from point A to point B? It needs an engine, right? And what does every engine needs to run? It needs fuel, right? So this is how it relates to affiliate marketing business. Your product as an affiliate is the vehicle in your business, right? And the marketing system, automated marketing system, is the engine, right? This works for you 24/7. Even if you are sleeping or traveling or doing the things that you wanted to do, this automated marketing system will allows you to generate revenue 24/7. This is the best salesperson in your business. All right. And the fuel is nothing but the traffic. Traffic are the people, who are pre-interested in buying this product, your affiliate product, right? But notice this, people don't like to buy the products. They buy emotions, results, and solution that this product promises to deliver. Let me give you an example. Girls like flowers, not because they care about the flowers, they care about the feeling, that expression of love, right? I got the gym membership not because I like to lift heavy weights. It's because the result I will get from that. Does that make sense? So this is very, very important. If you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business, this is the simple formula to follow. Now, most people, when they do affiliate marketing, one key component is missing, and that is this marketing system, right? The middle part. So most people think if I just grab an affiliate link and just send traffic to it, I'm gonna make money, right? And this is why 95% of the people are not successful. They are just going backwards. Don't do that. That is a recipe for disaster. What we want to do is we want to send this traffic to a marketing system, right? And then our marketing system will offer them the results through your affiliate product. The key ingredient, my friend, here is the automated marketing system. When you follow the system, then our conversion rate will go to the freaking roof. This is how I become successful in my business after struggling for 8 months. This is how I'm making 6 figures right now, simply by selling other people's products and services. If you would like to know exactly how to structure this step by step, where do we find the products, where do we find great companies in booming industry, how do we create automated marketing system that works for you 24/7, and how do you get lots of traffic for pennies on the dollar, then I'm giving away free training where we're gonna go deep in this. This is not like 35-40 minute training. We have like 10 modules in this where I will literally take you behind the curtain and I will show you exactly how I will find those products, how I build this marketing system, As a matter of fact, I'll share all the tools that I personally use plus a done for you marketing system in this training that you can just simply run. And I'm gonna also show you from where we get traffic. When you do this, you will have a real deal affiliate marketing business. So register your seat for the training. Link is in the description. You don't wanna miss it. I promise you, you will never think about affiliate marketing the same way after this training. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this step by step, and you will be able to start literally right away tonight. Register your seat for the training. Link is in the description, and I'm looking forward to see you soon.